Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Hope your Monday is going good. Good morning to everyone. I got another one for you guys today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe what you'd like to see next. Let's get it. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I've never made this before. I'm basically going off a recipe that someone had given me. It's called green Jello fluff or green Jello surprise. Green, ew, yeah, it just sounds gross. Anything that's green pretty much is disgusting. But dude, I'm telling you, if you try this, like, I could not stop eating it. I'm being like so serious. I thought it was gross because of the color and everything, but once I tried it, I was like, wow, this is pretty good. So, I mean, you can make this for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, just for dessert. I kind of was craving it, so, you know, why not make it and show you guys how I make it. All right, so you guys need some mini marshmallows, some walnuts, or some pecans. You need pineapple, crushed pineapple, some cottage cheese, and some lime Jello. No, I'm not making Jello shots. This is the only one I can find, so I'm pretty much going to substitute the vodka for a cold cup of water. But, yeah, let's get into it. All right, you guys, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add my Jello in the bowl. And then I'm going to put 2.5 cups of water. But if you have one box, then you just use 1 cup. And then I'm going to whisk this for about 1 or 2 minutes until it's completely dissolved. Make sure it's completely dissolved, guys, like all the powder, because at the end when your Jello sets, you're going to have like this sugary, hard stuff on the bottom, and it's happened to me before and it's not good. So make sure it's all completely dissolved. And then I'm going to add my 1 cup of cold water. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. I'm not going to let it set completely, but until it's thickened. Alright, another thing, you can do it, you don't have to, but with the pineapple juice, make sure you save a 1/2 cup so you can put that into the Jello mix. Just gives it a little bit of flavor. And then you can drain out the rest. You definitely need whipped cream or cottage cheese, but today I'm going to use whipped cream. And another thing, guys, make sure while you're waiting for your Jello to set for about an hour, you take out your whipped cream so that way you can let it thaw out. That way when you mix the whipped cream inside the Jello, it'll be so much easier instead of it being hard like ice cream, because then it's going to be hard to mix. Alright you guys, so it's been about an hour. My Jello's not completely set, but it's thick. So I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients to my Jello. Alright you guys, so I have a couple marshmallows. I have about 1/2 cup of pineapples, some walnuts, maybe about 1/4, and I have 1/3 of whipped cream. They expect me to use this little bit of whipped cream. You're tripping. I'm a big girl, so I'm gonna go by the measurements that I feel is right for this. Might not exactly be what's on the recipe, but you know, yeah, let's get it. Alright you guys, so what I'm gonna do is, it doesn't matter which way, but I'm gonna put my whipped cream last. So I'm gonna put my pecans in here. I don't think there's like a right or wrong way to do this because you're gonna mix it all up together anyway. And then I have my pineapples. And then my marshmallows. I'm not gonna put that many because I don't have that much Jello. So that should be good. And then last but not least, I'm gonna put my whipped cream. Or your Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna mix this all together and See what happens if it's a fail. Sorry. Alright, you guys, and I want that crunch whenever I get a spoonful. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more walnuts. Tiny, these little measurements don't cut it for me. So I'm gonna set this in the fridge for about 4 hours. Oh my god, that's too long. But and yeah, then I'll show you guys afterwards. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I waited 2 hours too long. I'm hungry. So, as you can see, it's pretty stiff. You know what that means? It's time to serve myself. So like I said, this is called green Jello fluff or green Jello surprise. You can make it for Thanksgiving, Christmas, just as a dessert. And that, you guys, is my dessert. You guys can add your cottage cheese. I mean, you don't have to. I think it's still good without it, but I mean, it's good either way. Alright, you guys. I know it's ugly, you guys, because it's green, but it's so good, I'm telling you. It just looks funny. But, really good. You guys can make this for any occasion, any potluck, any party, or if you just want dessert. But, don't knock it till you try it, guys. Don't mind the color. But, I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you later.